Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Today, dear viewers, I will unveil one product which is very important in this time, and this is nothing but a whiteboard. And in this time, whiteboard is very essential for online as well as offline education. So why I have chosen this product, I will tell you one by one. And if you are a teacher, if you are an educator, then this is your right destination where you have reached. And if you want to buy one whiteboard for your education purpose, then watch the video till the end. I will describe one by one. And this is a special type of whiteboard. It contains one whiteboard as well as one green board. You can use marker for the whiteboard and chalk for the green board. So let's have a glance on the real product, what is inside the box. I have ordered this product from the Amazon, and the price of the product is very attractive, and it is almost 1000. So let's have a glance on the product. So now you can see company has sent the product with caution. Now you can see this is the board. Now again one wrapping is there, we have to do the primary wrapping of that. So dear viewers, you can now watch. This is the board, whiteboard. The size of the whiteboard, it is 2 feet, and this is 3 feet, 2 by 3 feet. That means 60 centimeter into 90 centimeter. This board you can hang from by landscape mode, and the rim of the board is covered by a good quality aluminium. And you can also see the corner of the board. These four corners of the board are well wrapped by a plastic, good quality ABS plastic, so it will not get worn out easily. Now I will show you by the measuring tape. Is it actually 2 by 3 feet? So see, this is exactly 2 feet. Breadth of the whiteboard is exactly 2 feet, and the length of the whiteboard, you can see exactly 3 feet. You can use marker for this whiteboard, as well as you can see the reverse side. You can now see this reverse side of the board, it is a green board. That means you can use this green board, chalk. You can use chalks. You can write anything, draw anything by chalks, and it has extremely high erasibility. You can erase everything, write and erase. No ghost mark, no markings or any lines, scratches will not be there on the board. This whiteboard also has the same facility, good erasability. You can erase everything, no type of scratch mark, no type of ghost mark you cannot find on the board after erasing. So I will show you writing something on the board. Digital Sprout. Like, share and subscribe. Now I will show you how to erase it. Suppose I have taken one cloth pieces and now I am erasing. Now you can see almost everything has been erased out completely. No markings you cannot see after erasing the board by normal cloth paper. And this is melamine substance. This actually whiteboard, this material is melamine, so it will be good quality, and overall quality of the board is good. Size is portable, no problem. But if you want to hang this board from any wall by some pins or by some supports, already that portions that options are already given by the company. You can see these are the options. These are the two part. By these two part attached with the board, and you can hang the board easily and you can write. so this in this price range you cannot get the dual board. I will show you writing something on the green board also. So I will write here, suppose Greenboard by digital sprout. Okay, and you can also erase this what I have written here. You can erase this very easily by the same paper. You can see the erasability is good. You can see maximum erasability and minimum glare. So you can see I have erased. Thank you for watching my video. If you see video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos. Thank you.